Where am I? Hi, I'm Celia. What's your name? Where am I? Okay, interesting name. What are you? I am a plant cell, and I am eukaryotic, and my friends and I make up all plants. We are made up of lots of different materials and things called organelles. Each organelle and cell structure has its own special job. I don't get it.
The nucleus is like the headquarters of a cell. It gives all the orders and demands of what goes on the inside of the cell. It also contains the cell's genetic information, or DNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. Within each nucleus is nuclear chromatin that contains the organism's genome. The nucleus, as said before, gives all the orders of what goes on inside the cell. More specifically, it controls and regulates the activities of a cell, such as growth and metabolism. Chloroplasts are specialized organelles found in plant cells. They contain the plant cell's chlorophyll, responsible for the plant's green color and the ability to absorb energy from sunlight. The chlorophyll inside of the chloroplasts are generally involved in the plant's photosynthesis process. A vacuole is a membrane-bound sac that plays roles in intercellular digestion and releases of cellular waste products. Vacuoles tend to be very large in plant cells and play several roles, storing nutrients and waste products, helping increase cell size during growth, and more. The plant cell vacuole also regulates turgor pressure in the cell. Water collects in cell vacuoles, pressing outward against the cell wall and producing rigidity in the plant. Without sufficient water, turgor pressure drops and the plant wilts. Plant cells have a rigid protective cell wall made up of polysaccharides. In higher plant cells, that polysaccharide is usually cellulose. The cell wall provides and maintains the shape of these cells and serves as a protective barrier. Mitochondria provide the energy a cell needs to move, produce secretory products, and contract. In short, they are the power centers of the cell. About the size of bacteria, but have different shapes depending on the cell's type. Mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles and, like the nucleus, have a double membrane. The outer membrane is fairly smooth, but the inner membrane is highly convoluted, forming folds or cristae when viewed in cross-section. The cristae greatly increase the inner membrane's surface area. It is on these cristae that food or sugar is combined with oxygen to produce ATP, the primary energy source for the cell. As its name implies, the cytoskeleton helps to maintain cell shape, but the primary importance of the cytoskeleton is in cell motility. The internal movement of cell organelles, as well as cell locomotion and muscle fiber contraction, could not take place without the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is an organized network of 3 primary protein filaments: microtubulase, actin filaments, and intermediate fibers.
There you have it. 6 of the important structures of a plant cell. Make sense? Oh,